The reason why Warren Buffett is making so much money is he's going to play the long game. So if you make $100 now, that $100 one day will turn into $110 and it will go to $120. And because it's getting compoundly reinvested, it will end up doubling in a matter of 5 to 10 years. That's the same concept of paying less taxes now. So for example, say that if your profit was this and then your taxes is this at 47% and you paid yourself that 250K as a dividend, you would have to pay 47% on top because you're on the highest tax bracket already. And as a result of that, you only really have $132,000. That's in your personal name. But say that you didn't pay that tax and instead left that money in the company and then reinvested it, you would have 250, that times 25%, and you're left with this much money in the company. So with that money, you have extra 55 grand. So with that 55 grand now, I have the choice to go and hire someone with that, because that there is enough to pay for someone skilled for 6 months. So I can just go and hire that person and then pay $9,000 a month. And hopefully that person would then try to bring in 3 times to 5 times their income. So from that $55,000 I'm reinvesting, which I'm going to reinvest for 6 months, hopefully it will make me eventually 3 times that amount. And that person might not make 3 times straight away. It might take him 3 months or 6 months to start making 3 times that value. And say that he starts making it after 6 months, I'm now generating a profit on that return. And that's how I see the power of it. You should try to minimize your taxes as much as you can. And once you've made all the profit, pay the taxes, pay the 47%. But by then, the 47% would be already taxed at 25%. You would get a credit because you've already paid 25% on that 250. So when you start drawing that money out and slowly paying it to yourself, you will pay the 47% tax, but it would be that minus 47 here because you've already paid 25 here. So you're only really paying 22% on the extra dollar that you're taking out now of the company. But that extra dollar is going to be multiplied because of compounding growth.